Tired of seeing the mega yachts over there? Man, just come across the street over to the beaches, and it's going to be a fine weekend for the beaches. The surf temperature is still really warm, 81 degrees is that water temperature, and it's going to be just a small to medium chop out there. Always watch out for the rip currents, always a possibility of those, but generally it's going to be pretty sedate along the beaches, lots of sunshine and temperatures in the low to mid 80s. So soak up the rays and go check out the boats. It's a great weekend to be in Fort Lauderdale. And also, happy Halloween! I'm meteorologist Locke Roberts in the Storm Center, and we've got changes on the way as we'll check out the radar. You can see the showers and thunderstorms off to our north and west. Some of that activity is coming our way, and also cooler temperatures. Complete forecast coming up. And you can see on the national 24-hour surface map, we do have a couple of fronts that are basically staying to our north and to our east. I'm meteorologist Locke Roberts at the National Hurricane Center in Miami, and this place has been pretty busy over the last couple of weeks. Certainly 2 hurricanes that have struck the Sunshine State. And you might ask, how do they come up with forecasts? How do they come up with predictions? General Electric's Erie facility had an order for 20 of these locomotives bound for Russia, but when the Cold War broke out, the United States government said, no way. Good morning, everybody. Well, yesterday we had one of the best days of the summer with low humidity and bright sunshine, warm temperatures. Today, your average summer day. We're going to have some showers around. The humidity, that's typical of Pittsburgh for this time of year. And we are looking at radar right now, and there are scattering of showers out there. A couple thunderstorms further north, up into northeast Ohio, northwestern Pennsylvania. It looks like this afternoon we'll have a shot of some showers. Let's go ahead and check out your day planner. And we are looking at temperatures in the upper 60s this morning for the morning rush. Lunchtime, I think we'll be okay. I think we'll be partly sunny, about 77, and showers and storms moving in for the afternoon. Temperatures right around 80 degrees. And if you've got the opportunity to go outside today and hit the outdoors, Laurel Highlands, the high country, temperatures in the mid-70s with the scattering of showers and storms. And up on Lake Erie, northwest to northeast winds 10 to 15 knots behind the cold front, waves 2 to 3 feet, and the water temperature up on Presque Isle on the beaches 73 degrees. High temperatures today with clouds hanging out in the upper 70s to near 80, Monroeville at 80, Bridgeville at 80, and Wexford 79 degrees with the scattering of showers and storms. And for Morgantown, about 80, Waynesburg 80, Connellsville 79 degrees this afternoon. Cold front moving through with the showers and occasional thunderstorms for this afternoon, and then high pressure coming in just in time for the weekend. It is looking gorgeous for the weekend as we have cooler and drier air coming in, and that is just going to set the stage for that deep blue sky, which we just love to see, especially for the weekends. Oh yeah, AccuWeather's forecast. There we go. Showers and scattering of storms, 80 for today's high. And for tonight, we will see a few more showers early, then clearing. Temperature down to 59. And tomorrow's looking real nice. A ditto of yesterday with sunshine and a deep blue sky and low humidity. Temperature of 80 degrees. And a quick look at your AccuWeather 5-day forecast. 83 on Sunday with the same blue sky. Then things change. More humidity and clouds on the increase. But this weekend looks like a winner.
Oh, we'll take it. Thank you.
And what's going to happen for Christmas? Here's that low pressure center. This is the bug in the ointment. It's going to start moving towards us. And by Christmas Eve, it's going to be positioned to the north, but a trailing cold front will bring in some showers and thunderstorms for Christmas Eve. And Christmas Day looks rather rainy with occasional showers and thunderstorms and some snows, good snows in the interior of the Northeast. So if you're traveling up that way, watch out. P3 Friday. And it looks like a pretty good holiday.
You know that snow, too. If you just spend some time out in the Colorado area. And,
yes, sir. Not for us, no.
It's got the wind whistling down there.
Not for us.
Thanks.
6:47, and we're going to have some very cold weather coming into our region. We sort of had a break yesterday. It was a very brief one because the temperatures that are coming back in are pretty chilly.
You're right, and that's going to set the stage for a white Christmas. Everybody keeps asking me, are we going to have a white Christmas? Roughly 40% of the time we have a white Christmas. I think this year we have a better than 50-50 shot at it. Wow. And we're looking right now at storm warning Doppler radar, and we don't see much out there right now. Just a few light snow flurries, but the radar is not picking those up. They are very light, and any flurries will start to fall apart. And we'll have just some mostly cloudy skies for the early morning hours. Let's check out the temperatures. Not that bad. In fact, we could say they're mild for this time of the morning. 37 right now in Morgantown, 34 for Washington. Good morning, you guys in Indiana, 30 degrees. Du Bois, 29 degrees. Pittsburgh International now, 32 degrees. And Butler, the same at 32. Franklin, 27 degrees. Well, we do have a lot of clouds out there this morning, but there are some breaks starting to appear. And the clouds will start to thin out, and we'll start to see that sunshine coming through. So it should be a pretty nice day. So if you're hitting the roads, take the sunglasses out there. I wanted to ask you about the Gulf Stream, the play of the Gulf Stream.
it seems to be that it's a source of warm water, so hence everybody feels like that's always a mechanism for explosive growth. Is this true?
Well, it can be, but it certainly, we have a lot of hurricanes that go to the Gulf Stream and they don't intensify, and some of them even weaken. So that's just one thing we look at.
I'm meteorologist Locke Roberts at the National Hurricane Center in Miami, and I'm with Peter Black, Dr. Peter Black, who is a research hurricane specialist, actually, and he's really involved with something that's pretty cool. Remember the film The Twister, when they actually tried to get devices put up into the tornado to measure the wind speed and whatnot? Well, Dr. Black is doing the same thing, except with hurricanes, and you do it by the air.
Yes, exactly. Well, we've taken two different approaches here. We've put a number of what we call drifting buoys in the water just off the Turks and Caicos Islands.